In this video, I will show you how you can use your AirPods with any Samsung tablet. Now to do this, first of all, just make sure that your AirPods are fully charged. If your AirPods are low on charge, just plug your AirPods into charge. After that, on your tablet, just go to Settings. Now under the connection section in Settings, just tap on Bluetooth. Now from here, just enable Bluetooth on your tablet. After you do that, then for the next step, just open the lid of your AirPods case, then enter your AirPods into pairing mode. Now since I have the AirPods 4, I will double tap on the LED on the charging case. As you can see, the LED has started blinking white, which indicates that it has entered into pairing mode. But if you have the AirPods 4 or any other AirPods which have a button at the back, just press and hold the button until this LED starts blinking white. Now once your AirPods enter into pairing mode, then just tap on Scan on your tablet and you will see the signal of your AirPods on the screen. Now to pair your AirPods with your tablet, just tap on the name of your AirPods, then select Pair. And as you can see, we have successfully paired our AirPods with our tablet. Now from here, just tap on the settings icon in front of our AirPods name. Now just make sure you enable the toggle for calls and also enable the toggle for audio. And after you do that, you will be able to use your AirPods to listen to music or to answer calls on your tablet. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.